Not sick. Not lazy. Not depressed. Just flat. No edge in the morning. No desire to move fast. No real hunger for the day. And the strange part was this. Sleep was supposed to fix energy. But it wasn't fixing anything. If you've ever woken up and thought, "How am I tired already?" Then stay with me. Because this isn't about sleep. It's about how your energy system is actually working. Over the years, I've seen this pattern in other men too. Men who are responsible. Men who show up. Men who don't party anymore. They tell me the same thing. I'm doing everything right. So why do I still feel drained? That question matters. Because when effort doesn't produce energy, men start blaming themselves. And that's the wrong conclusion. Most men think low energy is a sleep problem. It's not. It's an energy system problem. Here's what I mean. Sleep is just one input. Energy is the output. In between are systems. If the systems are unstable, no amount of sleep produces strength. You don't wake up exhausted because you didn't sleep. You wake up exhausted because your body never recovered. And recovery does not happen by accident. Why sleep alone fails? 1. Sleeping but not recovering. There's a difference between being unconscious and being restored. Deep sleep repairs the body. REM sleep resets the mind. Stress fragments both. If your nervous system never powers down, your body never rebuilds. 2. Stress follows you into bed. You lie down at night, but your mind doesn't lie down with you. It's still solving problems. Still replaying conversations. Still planning tomorrow. Your body is in bed. Your nervous system is still on duty. That's not rest. That's delayed exhaustion. 3. Broken body clock. Late nights. Inconsistent schedules. Screens after dark. Your internal clock loses authority. So your body never fully switches modes. 4. Expecting sleep to fix lifestyle damage. Sleep is not a repair shop. It cannot undo chronic stress. Poor movement. Bad fuel. Zero recovery rituals. That's not how the body works. Let me help you identify where your system is breaking. Not with tests. With observation. Ask yourself this. Morning. Do you wake up tired, even after enough sleep? That usually points to nervous system overload. Poor circadian anchoring. Afternoon. Do you crash between 1 and 4 p.m.? That often means stress hormones are doing all the work. Your energy is borrowed, not produced. Evening. Do you feel wired but tired at night? That's a classic sign of cortisol staying high. No real shutdown signal. These aren't character flaws. They're system signals. Now we rebuild. Not with hacks. With structure. Step 1. Fix wake time, not bedtime. Most men chase bedtime. High-functioning men lock in wake time. Your body clock anchors to when you wake up. Same time. Every day. This trains hormones to follow rhythm again. Step 2. Build a shutdown ritual. Your nervous system needs a signal. Not motivation. Not willpower. A signal. Same sequence. Every night. Dim lights. Screens off. One repeatable action. You don't drift into recovery. You transition into it. This is where most men resist. Because it feels small. But small signals reset big systems. Step 3. Control stress during the day. You don't fix nighttime fatigue at night. You fix it by how you live during the day. If stress never drops, your body never rebuilds. Daily decompression isn't optional. Walking, breathing, quiet thinking. 15 minutes. That's not weakness. That's maintenance. Step 4. Morning light and movement. Morning light tells your body it's time. Movement clears inertia. If your morning is chaotic, your night will be broken. Energy is programmed early. Here's what most men over 40 were never told. Energy is not motivation. It's not discipline. It's not even sleep alone. It's whether your systems support recovery or quietly drain it. That's the difference. This is what the male operating system is about. Not hype. Not shortcuts. Not pretending you're broken. Just fixing the systems underneath the symptoms. If you're sleeping enough but still waking up exhausted, you're not failing. Your system is outdated. And systems can be upgraded. In the next videos, we'll break down energy systems one by one, clearly, practically, and without nonsense.